Men. And I use the term loosely, of course. What do you think? Peel some masking tape off, put these cylinders on? I think so. Yeah, looks good to me. Well, the hard parts are all done. Making sure the oil ring gaps are staggered. Making sure the compression ring gaps are staggered. And we should be good to go here. Beautiful. And now my favorite thing, tall brass nuts. Men, notice the poor lighting. Power just went out. Perfectly sunny day outside. Anyway, hug your engine. Tighten its brass nuts. The town I live in is at the absolute end of the Texas power grid. I swear, if somebody turns a toaster on in El Paso, 600 miles from here, my power goes out. Yeah? Don't you want to know who?
Yeah, who?
YouTube.
Okay.
Wife just walked in on me. She thought I had gone crazy and I was talking to myself. Little did she know I was relating a complex, highly technical narrative. a narrative full of love and affection for shiny brass nuts and hugging your engine. And that's it. My nuts are all tight. And the engine still rotates. You gotta love it. Alright, power's back on. And now for that uniquely satisfying point in time during an engine rebuild where you get to do this. I never get tired of this. Kind of what makes it all worthwhile, you know? We're going to pop the rear head on. Gasket has been annealed. Sprayed with that spray-on copper gasket maker. Going to lube the bolts with anti-seize. Just going to seat the bolts. Okay, time for the front head. Yeah, one little spot right there won't have any sealer on it, that's okay. Same drill, anti-seize on the head bolts. Gonna torque them up. Just another excuse to hug your motor. I go in 3 steps: 35, 50, and 65. And 65. And I like to go around one more time at 65. And the engine really looks like an engine now. I'm missing some of the bits and pieces to put the brass nuts on the rocker boxes. So right now I'm just installing them with a couple of standard bolts so I can begin test fitting the push rods. And I'm glad I did because problems were encountered, as you will see. And with that, I am out of here. Hey, help me out. Join me on Patreon. Get yourself a coffee cup, get yourself a sticker, but most of all, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Bye.